Igbo bụ Igbo ekele m n'ụlọ ọmụbụbụ Jezi ka na-ekwu achọrọ m irespond to ndị saboteurs, ndị na-agba ihe ọma ụkwụ, ndị Thomas ahụnanya ekpe group of companies. Mana ọ naghị agbanwoju mmanya n'ihi na ihe ọbụla ga-enye isi ga-enwere ụzọ ọbụla mara mma ga-enwerịrị galop. Asị ma osisi na-enweghị mkpụrụ osisi n'ime ya, ụmụaka anaghị atụ ya okwute. So ihe mere ji nwee ndị saboteurs bụ maka na ihe anyị na-eme dị mma. Ịma kamgbe anyị amalitere Igbo Ruo Ulo project anyị dị n'ime ka ndị Igbo lọtawa, kamgbe amalitere this call for ndị Igbo to come home, ụfọdụ na-enweghị iwe achọghị iji ncha mee ma ndị Igbo. So achọrọ m igositene gị some of the comment na this video m na-eme n'ugbu a, ma tutu m egosi gị comment some people na-eme, ndị na-eme attack, ndị sị na anyị na-akọgheri, mana ka achọrọ m ka m kpọrọkọ n'aka n'uche gị gee ntị n'ihe m ji wee sị gị na ihe a bụ a calculated plan abụ agha na-achịgbu bugide ndị Igbo. Ụfọdụ si n'ọwa asị ma nkesịa PRO Alaba one Tioda o take it as a project na comment against my post. Ngwa ga-ewegoro ntị ugbu a ka m na this ya achọrọ m ide ejizi video na my page because ama m ihe mma na ndị nwe video ndị a na-aga, but gave voice note this man na ga-eji picture here.
And all those buildings are going to go between now and Monday.
So far, about 16 buildings within the Alaba International Market have been marked for demolition by the State Building Control Agency,
especially Igbo traders in Lagos.
Okay, now those buildings will go down from between now and Monday. Because share this video, share on the video, can down from that to Monday. Kamana, building that gagada. Now, here are both comment. Alaba demolition and aga on now. Okay. Now, the tenant nkata ana speculate no this before so this man abo vice president Unugba before ka so wo ya but mo ya ma wo ya wo nkata onye Igbo na onye Hausa para don't you?
Why do you think? Because the secret of this world is in the hands of Igbos. You don't know?
I don't know.
And they say I must be there.
Can I continue?
So you have Igbo friends.
I have a lot of them now.
You have a lot of them.
Plenty safe. if I go to trade fair now, this is what did they call it? If I enter trade fair, I don't buy cosmetics now. Now that is the dash me. I have a lot of them in Alaba too safe.
But
most of my friends are.
You have them like this. But yes, you just stand behind Buhari Bugidam.
Us na ya nwere Igbo friend na ya ga na Alaba International Market na trade fair na Africa na-enye cosmetics and ya na-azụ ya azụ n'ihi ndị Igbo egbu ndị nye na-enye ya. Don't you?
Because if you don't befriend an Igbo man, you are lost already.
No, if you know before only get onye Igbo awụghị enyi ifuole onye afọ na-ekwu ihe a.
You understand?
I don't understand. You say you don't befriend an Igbo man.
Yes, because the secretive manuscript of mankind is in the hands of Igbo. You know, they are born with it. So, and some of us, we came to meet the Igbos in a country called Nigeria.
Also, the secret manuscript of mankind is in the hand of Igbo. That we came to Nigeria to meet the Igbo in Nigeria. Some of you know this particular again in details. You have a video I made about more than 5 years ago. I saw Kashim, I saw Onye, but Amahonyo, man, in nutshell, this man who knows some name of sports, the Hadra, the meet in Dibo, Nala, Nigeria.
They are the original because they originated from the Kemet Empire. You understand? And that is why they think, because the secret of this world is in the hands of Igbos. You don't know?
The secret of this world is in the hand of the Igbos. Now. So actually, I'm shift to 2x more because of time. Onye na-asị na ihe ndị a na-eme na Alaba na awụ calculated plan against ndị Igbo. Ka anyị ga-ekene ntị.
It now online, geometrics. He's the owner of geometrics. And another thing where Buhari made mistake is that It is Igbos that have heart. If you go to Saudi Arabia, you know this Saudi crown prince, most of his friends are black. When Buhari went to Saudi Arabia, the person that led that moved Saudi crown prince to Buhari is an Igbo guy now. Yes. Now this guy, but he got a Saudi crown prince met the guy in America. You understand? Even Saudi, Saudi Arabia, they are state oil company. They want to privatize it now. The 1% is Nigerian that want to buy that 1% of their shares, and it's an Igbo man.
I never know all these things.
There is one thing is that there is one thing people don't understand. If the refinery will work, if Buhari tell Igbo people say, I want to refine. This man where they call Ibeto. Ibeto has a chemical plant in Houston, in America. My brother now is the director of DPR. He's the current head of DPR. And Ibeto came to meet him that he has capacity that he can bring people to come and build refinery bigger than that of Dangote. But it is Dangote that pushed him out of Nigeria.
Yes, I know.
Ibeto. You know that Ibeto, up to now, Ibeto is paying more than $1 million on high sea. His cement are still on high sea. He wanted to flood Nigeria market, his cement at $1 per bag. And people don't really understand. You want Igbo, if Igbo man rule Nigeria, we don't enter trouble now. Northerners, the first people they even deal with are Yoruba. And that is why Yoruba will never open his allow Igbo man to become president. It's not possible, sir.
So you now know that Dangote is ripping us.
When Babangida was head of state, if he visit any state, he don't go to government house. He sleep in an individual Igbo house. You don't know. So, and he's always a free Nigerian. Have you ever had any assassination attempt on Babangida before? After he left power?
No, I have not.
There is one thing people don't understand, and that is why Buhari is finding it difficult. He say dollar this, he say this. And the rate at which even people are bringing in things into Nigeria is even more than when our border is open.
Okay, because of time, I need to get exactly the place Okuroku Basara. This is Henda and I think maybe in the next video I'll get it. Can't go to the video be too long. This man value could have naga with a section. I can measure in the buribu to iji make a head sharing the week. So no neighbor ku Basara this government the mayor now. Zoku Ulanda Woshanti, Ulanda Hadema, but Ulan has been there for many years. Or what I got here? Uba created an Oshanti. But then this man they could look 5 years ago. Now they may add a treat in Dibo. On the video, that get that video, about 40 minutes video. But in the Gazette in there, some of the comment in our here now. I'm a chucky jackage, get him this comment in that. Jizakage baby, Undana. Am I onye and me instigate tribal war come and me put the truth and me put the fact. Jack again go mago give a man my go no bun de saboteur. Ganente. Agma John go pata warage in hadre. I may display here. Una going. Man de saboteur ganente. Uno choroya mochora ibu gerute rolo. Ka ibizali bwan. It only try happen Lagos. Happen I say moon happen Lagos. Yeah, he will and look I duplicate that is something like Alibo. That is my campaign. Let us duplicate it in Alibo. Oh, ha.